Has this ever happened to you? You're listening to someone talk, and you know with absolute 100% certainty that they are lying straight to your face. Your first instinct: call them out, expose them, drop the truth bomb right there and watch their whole story crumble. But don't do it. Seriously, hold your tongue. Calling out a liar is actually the worst move you can make. Today, I'm going to show you a psychological technique that is 10 times more powerful. Here is exactly what happens when you confront a liar. You trigger their fight or flight response. The moment you say, "You're lying," their ego takes over. They double down. They get defensive. They might even gaslight you, and suddenly, you are the crazy one for not trusting them. You've handed them the script, and now you're arguing on their terms. Instead of confronting them, do this. It's a two-step psychological approach I like to call the silent amplifier. Step 1 is the tactical pause. When they finish telling their lie, do absolutely nothing. Don't nod. Don't say aha. Don't cross your arms. Just maintain steady, relaxed eye contact. Let the silence hang in the air for about 3 to 4 seconds. To a person who is telling the truth, silence is just a natural break in the conversation. But to a liar, silence is absolutely deafening. It feels like a massive interrogation spotlight. Their brain starts panicking, wondering, did they buy it? Do they know? Because people hate awkward silence, they will almost always start talking nervously to fill that dead space. And that's exactly when they start over-explaining and tripping over their own details. Once they start stumbling, you move to step 2. Play the confused student. Instead of accusing them, act slightly confused. Ask them to repeat a specific tiny detail. Say something like, "Wait, I'm a little lost. You said you left the office at 5 o'clock, but earlier you mentioned picking up the package at 4:30. How did that work?" Say it with genuine curiosity, not sarcasm. When you act confused, you force their brain to work overtime. You see, lying takes a massive amount of cognitive energy. The truth is easy to remember, but lies have to be built, maintained, and constantly tracked. By asking them to clarify a tiny thread, you're forcing them to build a completely new lie on the spot. Most people will start stuttering, changing their story, or physically showing signs of severe stress, like rubbing the back of their neck or completely breaking eye contact. You don't even need to say, "Gotcha." They know they messed up. And more importantly, they know you know. By using this trick, you keep your power, your peace, and your emotional control. You don't get dragged into a toxic, draining argument. You just sit back and watch them unravel their own web. Try this the next time someone tries to pull one over on you, and watch how quickly the dynamic changes. If you found this insight useful, hit the like button and subscribe for more deep dives into human psychology. Stay sharp, and I'll see you in the next one.